Alright, this gonna be for YouTube, cause y'all know in my live videos, I'm under the influence, so leave it in the fucking comments. Just say what the fuck I gotta say. Leekautorepair, whatever. It's my fucking channel. We got it, and hit the like button and subscribe too, bitches. So what we gonna talk about? So this little story. In my live video, y'all people want me to talk about, do comedy and shit. You Carmack specifically, you want me to do it? I got you. And this is for everybody. Y'all want to be in the videos? No? No? Alright, I'll explain the story since everybody always want me to tell a story. So I'm 29, right? So this story is about I was 20 years old. This was right before my daughter was born. I was 20 years old. About to be damn near 10 years and shit. So I was getting this tattoo, right? And, you know how you get a tattoo? The tattoo take long, right? So you might be about 2-3 hours. So you try to make conversation with your tattoo artist. So I was actually busting it up with the owner, right? He tattooed my shit or whatever. And, you know what I mean? And I remember, like, he said, so what's your name or whatever, da-da-da-da-da. What made you get this tattoo? I'm explaining to him, and, yeah, da-da-da-da-da, yada yada, and I forget what I said exactly. And then I got to the point where I was like, yeah, you the owner of the shop, right? Where you from and shit? Like, okay, well, how long you been doing tattoos? What made you do this or whatever? And then he was just like, all right, man, fuck this shit. I can't take it no more. Bro, man, your breath smells like ass, man. And then he got up and he shut off because he had his foot on the joint. No, listen. He had his foot on the pedal. You know how when you hit the pedal, it goes zzz, like to get the you know what I mean, the needle flowing. He got up, let go of the pedal, whipped out this drawer, like when he muscled the drawer open. I guess he was mad and shit. Like he pulled out fucking Trident and said, "Hey man, take two." He said, "Hey man, take two." So I got the fucking Trident. Like I told you I didn't want to laugh. Listen. I didn't have time to respond because I was embarrassed. So I took the Trident. He threw the Trident at me. He said, "Take two." Because my arm was out when he did it. I was in a tattoo position the whole time. He threw the gun at me saying, "Take two."
Oh shit!
And there was one of green. So I took the Trident, right? I took two. And it was hard as shit to try. He said, "All right, man, we ready?"
Yo. Stop.
I can't. We ain't talk about it after that.
Oh shit.
I was embarrassed though. So I don't know why when I tell that story to people.
You wasn't inspired.
People laugh.
Oh, you wasn't inspired?
People laugh. So I just know that I can't be in nobody's. I be on my A game ever since. I've been on my A game. It's been 10 years on the run. I've been on my A game. I know not to be in nobody's face.
All right, listen.
If my breath smells like ass.
How about
I keep a toothbrush with me everywhere.
How about you tell about your other story, Dad, in their hands? What happened on your drunk
Can we say that as a part 2? Because we're going to do this as a playlist, babe. Because I don't want you to jump the gun. All right. So, all right, I'm Leekautorepair. I'm turned up, what's it, Thursday, to do whatever I want. Plus, I'm celebrating. I got paid on YouTube today, right? So that's where the under influence come from. All right, hit the subscribe button, bitches. All right, that's it, babe. You can cut it. Are you still recording me? Can I tell you one more? No, I can't tell you one more.
Wait.
Can I?
No, stop it, babe. Hit the stop button.
Can I be honest with you?
Can I be honest with you?
Because
you don't like to lie.
Right. It was
I like to be honest and stuff,
It was this one time.
No, give me the goddamn. Still recording me, goddamn it.